Good morning, children. I am Gajanan Vadir, TGT English from JNV Panchavati, Uttara Kannada. In this class, we are going to study about prefixes and suffixes in English grammar. At the very beginning, let us understand what a prefix or suffix is. An affix attached to the beginning of a word to modify its meaning. So, prefix is a word that is added to the beginning of some word in order to modify. Modify means to change the meaning of the word. That is called a prefix. So, coming to the next word, that is suffix. Suffix is a particle that is attached to the end of a word to modify its meaning or change it into a different class of word, different word class or different class of words. So, you may ask me, what is the use of the study of prefix and suffix? Prefix and suffix will help for a greater extent to enhance our vocabulary. So, as we know, to use any language in a very effective manner, we need to know many number of words. So, more number of words we know, our language will become more and more stronger. So, the proper use of a language depends on the number of words we have in our vocabulary. Okay, so by adding prefix and suffix, we can enhance the number of words in our active and passive vocabulary. That's why prefix and suffix plays an important role in learning any language. So, I have written some of the examples here, how prefix can be formed and later on how suffix can be formed. The first one, the word happy. So, one more thing I forgot to tell you here. So, prefix and suffix can be added to the word. The word that is added with prefix or suffix, the main word is called as a root word. Okay. So, in this example, the first word is happy. Happy is a root word. Happy is a root word. Root word means the main word to which something is going to be added. So, happy. So, to happy, prefix, what prefix is done here? Un is added. Un is added, that's why happy is changed into unhappy. Likewise, coming to the next word, cultural is changed into multicultural by adding the word multi. Multi means many. So, the meaning of the second word is multicultural, means many cultures, mixture of so many cultures. Coming to the next one, work, which is added with overwork, it will become overwork, too much of work. Space, to this word, to this root word, cyber is added. By adding cyber to space, it has become cyberspace. So, coming to the next word, market, super is added, that's why market is changed into a supermarket here. So, these are some of the examples of prefixes. And coming to the some of the examples, now let us have a look at how suffixes can be formed. These are only few examples, but in a very different way, so many words can be formed by adding prefixes and suffixes. Coming to suffix, child, by adding ish to child, it is changed into childish. Work, er is added to work, that's why work has been changed into worker. Taste, after adding less, it has become tasteless. If you are adding ful, it will become tasteful also. Okay, by adding suffix and some prefixes, sometimes the word will become a different class of a word, and also sometimes it may give the synonym, sometimes it may give the antonym. It depends on the word and what we are going to add. Coming to the next word, idle. Idle is idle, ise. By adding ise to the idle, it has been changed into idle is changed into idolize. Coming to the last word from suffix category, that is like. When added able, like is changed into likable. So, this is a brief study, introductory study about prefix and suffixes. Now, these are some of the examples how different class of a word can be created. We can see with the help of these examples. So, before we go to next, So something like a recapitulation. Prefix is letters or few letters that are added to a root word in the beginning of the word. And suffix is letter or a few letters that are added to the end of the root word in order to make a different class of words. Now we will look at a few more examples and few more things about the same topic with the help of PPT.